Good morning, welcome to Morning Maths, day 21. Make sure you've got your things ready and we'll get started. Question 1 for year 3 level. 40 plus a mystery, missing box, equals 42. 40 plus a mystery equals 42. We have a picture of 42 up here. See, we've got the 40, 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. We've got that, that's there. We've just got to add 2, because 40 plus 2 equals 42. So what goes in the missing box is 2. Let's do question 2. 4 plus 3 plus 2. So we'll write the question. 4 plus 3 plus 2. I can do this by counting along a number line. I'll start on 4, then I'll plus the 3. 1, 2, 3. Oops, I'm on 7. Then I've got to plus 2 more. 1, 2, and I get to 9. 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 9. That's the first time I think that we've added 2 numbers on, but you can still just count along the number line. Just catch up with the copying. I'll be moving on to question 3. Question 3. 12 take away 5. I can do that on the number line as well. 12 take away 5. So I go to a number line that's got 12. They both have. I'll use this one. 12 is here. And I'll take away 5. Take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got down to 7. Question 4 is 2 times 8. 2 lots of 8. It's when I've got 2, but I haven't just got it once, I've got it 8 times. I could sing my 2s up to 8 fingers. It's 2, it's 4, it's 6, and then it's 8, and then it's 10, it's 12, 14, 16. I counted up to 16. And I had 8 fingers when I got to 16, so I knew that I'd got to the right place. 2 times 8 equals 16. Question 5. Question 5 is 8 divided by 2. Well, here I have 2 apples. It's the same as what is 8 apples shared between 2 people. 8 apples here. Divided means shared. Divided by means shared. So I share them into 2 groups. Put some on this side, some on this side. Make sure they're equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Because 8 divided by 2 equals 4. That's what we'll write down. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Right, on to year 4 level work. Question 6, right, 100 plus something equals 106. We've got the 100, the something must just be the 6 to get up to 106. 100 plus something equals 106. 100 plus 6 is 106, isn't it? We can see that. 100 plus 6 is 106. So you write this out, and in the missing box goes the 6. We're on question 7. 54 plus 378. Well, in plus you can put whichever number you want at the top. I'm going to put 378 at the top this time, and we're going to add 54 with the column method for plus, column method for addition. 8 plus 4 is 12. Make sure you write 12, not 21. 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 3 plus 1 is 4. 432. Let's make that 4 a bit better. 432. And we're on question 8. Question 8. 237. Take away 118. With takeaway, the biggest number has to go on the top with column takeaway. Well, we've got the biggest number on the top. 7 take away 8 we can't do, because if you've got £7, you can't give away £8. So 7 needs some help from next door. That goes down to 2 tens instead of 3 tens. And 17 take away 8 is 9. 2 take away 1 is 1. 2 take away 1 again is 1. 119. 237 take away 118 is 119. We'll move on to question 9. Question 9, 13 multiplied by 4. This is not too bad. Good method. 13 becomes 10 and 3. 13 multiplied by 4. Okay, so in this place we have 4 times 10 in this space. 4 times 10 is 40. And in this space we'll do 4 times 3 because they line up with each other. 4, 8, 12. So we have 40 and 12. We have two answers which we have to add together at the end. You can add them with column method, or you might just be able to see that it's 52. 40 plus 12 is 52. And that's question 9 done. We'll move on to question 10. We'll do the bus stop because this is a large divide. 524 divided by 4. 524 divided by 4. How many 4s fit into 5? So I sing my 4s, but I mustn't go past 5. 4, 8, I've gone too far. Start again. 4, I can only sing 1. I sing up to 4, so I put the 1. But remember I sing up to 4, and that's actually 5. So there's also 1 remaining. How many 4s in 12? 4, 8, 12. Counted on my fingers, and it was 3. How many 4s in 4? 4, exactly 1. 131. That's year 4 level questions done. Time for question 11, year 5 level. Here we are, year 5 level questions. Value of the 6 in 574.06. Now it's not units, if you were thinking that. It's not units. Because units actually comes before the decimal point. We need the columns that come after the tenths, and importantly for this question, the hundredths. It's worth 6 hundredths. So our answer is 6 hundredths. Year 5, study this at the start of year 5. There we are, 6 hundredths as a fraction, 6 over 100, because it's in the 1 over 100 column, but there's 6, so 6 over 100. And as a decimal, that is 0.06. Doing these questions every day will really help you to know what decimals are the same as what fractions in terms of tenths and hundredths. It's 0.06 because if I changed everything to a 0 except for the 6 and put a decimal point lined up, it's 0.06. Time for question 12. Addition. You know how to do this. You could put the biggest number on the top if you want in addition, or you could put the biggest number on the bottom. In this case, I've put the biggest number on the bottom. They're both 4-digit numbers anyway. 8 plus 9 is 17. 5 plus 7 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7,437. I'm just checking over that before question 13. 4,837. Take away, so this time we have to have the biggest number on the top to do a column subtraction. So make sure you've got the biggest number on the top. It's not always the first number in the question. It is when it's just a minus sign, but with words it can be different. Just make sure my 8 looks like a good 8. Or better 8. Take away 7, take away 1 is 6. 3 take away 5 we can't do. 13 take away 5 we can do. That's 8. 7 take away 4 is 3. 4 take away 3 is 1. 1,386. Let's go to question 14. Today I'll do grid method and standard method, as I often do. So for the grid method, if you remember it, 800, 90 and 3. That's 893 partitioned into 890 and 3. And what's the other number? 5 over here. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40, and place 2 zeros. 5 times 9 is 45, and place 1 0. 5 times 3 is 15. 4,450 and 15. So we could add them in column method, but I know 4,450 will fit together to make this. 4,450, that's those two, plus 15. That's going to be 4,465. That's our answer, 4,465. I'll do the column method as well to check. Squeeze it in over here. And then I'll have a double check. This is a shortened method really, isn't it? Takes less time, everything's squeezed together. You do the adding as you go along basically. 4,465. Right, question 15 next. Bus stop using a 4-digit number, 5,685, divided by a 1-digit number. So how many 5s in 5? Exactly 1. How many 5s in 6? 5. It's 1 as well, but remainder 1 because that was 6, not 5. How many 5s in 18? 5, 10, 15. That is 3. We've got up to 15. 16, 17, 18. Also remainder 3. 3 that we didn't use. How many 5s in 35? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I counted on my fingers and it said 7. My fingers said 7 to me. 1,137. Okay, year 6 level. Value of the 6 in this number, 876,272. What's the value of the 6? Why am I doing? I did that once before. Started doing a bus stop. What am I doing? No, the value of the 6. There's no decimals here, so it's just units, tens, hundreds, and it's thousands. So our answer is 6,000s. There's the word thousands. And in brackets, that is 6 with 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros after the 6, 6,000. That seems a bit easy for your 6 one, but fair enough. Question 17 next. Question 17 could trick you if you are not careful with your lining up. So be careful with your lining up. 13.92. It's a decimal point that must line up. So it must be 4.8. I put the biggest number at the top. 13 and a bit is bigger than 4 and a bit. Line up the decimal point. If you wish, you can place 0. Some people even like placing a 0 here. You don't have to on plus. Do the addition and it's 18.72. Yep, that's right, 18.72. On to question 18. Just a big takeaway with some 5-digit numbers. 58,000 is how we say the first one. Biggest number at the top, 58,000, is bigger than 27,468. 27,468. We'll need lots of help here because 0 can't take away 8, so help comes from this 8. 10 goes down to 9. 10 goes down to 9. The last one stays as 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 9 take away 6 is 3. 10 take away 8 was 2. 9 take away 6, 3. 9 take away 4, 5. 7 take away 7, 0. 5 take away 2 is 3. I wonder if there's a number bonds check. I don't know if you know number bonds to 1,000, but those two will fit together to make 1,000. So that's a check that helps me know that this is right. Let's go on to question 19. Multiplication, standard method usually in year 6. 2,649 times 7. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 4, 28, plus 6, 34. 7 times 6, 42, plus 3, 45. 7 times 2, 14, plus 4, 18. 18,543. Let's check my times tables. 42 and 6. Whoa, no, that's okay. 28, 34. Okay, last question I can fit in at the bottom. 1.515 shared between 3. 1.515 shared between 3. 3 into 0, 3 into 1 is 0, carried a 1. 3 into 50, that's a decimal point. 3 into 15, 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15, that's 5. 3 into 1 is 0, carried a 1. 3 into 15 is 5 again. 0.505, I can see that's right actually. That's question 20. So time to do the marking. Okay, see you next time.